Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will talk about send email task in SSIS, and we will see how we can send the notifications using the send email task. So this is my profile. I have 13 plus years of experience on Microsoft technologies. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is what is send email task in SSIS and how to send the notifications using the send email task. So let's jump to the demo. Alright, to send the notifications using the send mail task, you need to have the SMTP server details with you. You should be on the same network where the SMTP server can be accessed. So every company's SMTP server is different. So my company SMTP server will be different and your company's SMTP server will be different. SMTP server address is very private and I will be hiding that in this particular video, but I will show you the method like how we can send the notifications using the send mail task. So this is a simple SSIS package where it is reading the data from a txt file and then it is exporting the data to a CSV file. So if you see, I have an input.txt file, and if you open this file, so there are just 5 records and the data is separated by comma, while when I will be exporting this data, so I will be exporting the data to a CSV file, the data will be separated by a pipe. So it's very straightforward, and I just want to add the notifications. So when the SSIS package will run, then I want that notifications should be sent to me, and then when the package will finish, then the notifications again sent to me. You can put any email address in the from and in the to. So if you want to send the notifications to a list of peoples, then you can just put their email ID in the to, and then you can separate them by semicolon. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, just click on the SSIS toolbox option, and then you can just drag and drop the send mail task into the control flow window, and maybe you can just rename the send mail task to like package started, and then you can just configure it. So right click and edit it, and then in the email you can just put the SMTP connection, and here in the SMTP server you need to put the SMTP server details, so that I will be hiding in this case. Now click OK, and now in the from you need to put the email address from which email address you want to send the notification. So for example, I want to put the email notification from my address, so I will put my email address here, but I am just hiding it just to make sure that I won't be in any trouble. Okay, so and now I'm just going to put the to email address. Right now I'm just going to put my email address. In your case you can put your email address or maybe some other people's email address, and if you want to, for example, put multiple people address, then you can separate them by semicolon. Okay, now in the subject you can put anything like email from send email task. Okay, and then in the message source maybe you can put the package has been started. Okay, click OK. So this is for sending the package start notification, and now suppose if you want to send the package end notification, so you can just copy and paste the send email task, and now what you want to do, you can maybe just rename the message source. Okay, so instead of like in the message source, this is also called as message body. So in the message body you can put the package has been completed. Now click OK. Okay, so now when the SSIS package will run, it will send an email that the package has been started, and as soon as the package will be done, then it will send another notification that the package has been completed. So let me just run the SSIS package. Okay, so it seems like the SSIS package has been completed. Alright, so I got 2 emails from send mail task, and the first email it is saying that the package has been started, and then I got another email which is saying that package has been completed. So these 2 emails I got from the send email task. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.